Alright, science enthusiasts, today we're diving into a game changer in the world of nuclear physics. Let's talk about muonic atoms and how they're opening up new frontiers in our understanding of the atomic nucleus. So, what are muonic atoms? Imagine a regular atom where electrons orbit the nucleus. Now, swap those electrons with muons, which are like electrons but 207 times heavier. This massive weight difference allows muons to orbit much closer to the nucleus, giving us a detailed view of its structure. Researchers at the University of Queensland have been exploring these muonic atoms and their potential to transform nuclear physics. One of the coolest aspects of their work is how they've shown that the impact of nuclear polarization, that's the distortion of the nucleus shape, is way smaller than we previously thought. This breakthrough minimizes one of the major concerns and paves the way for more accurate studies of the hyperfine structure, which is all about those tiny energy splittings in an atom. But why is this important? Well, understanding the magnetic structure of the nucleus can reveal so much about the fundamental forces at play within an atom. This research is unlocking new possibilities for experiments that could deepen our knowledge of nuclear structure and fundamental physics. To top it off, these groundbreaking findings have been published in one of the most prestigious journals in the field. So there you have it. Muons are not just exotic particles, they're revolutionizing the way we explore the atomic nucleus and pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe. Exciting times ahead in nuclear physics. If you found this intriguing, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating science updates. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.